Hi, my name is Glenn. I'm a talent development manager, and we recently switched from Power BI to Microsoft Excel. And for more reviews like this, click below. I would say the primary function that we had for Power BI and Excel was really just to show data. Me being in talent development, there's a lot of training reports that we will send out to the team. And so we're using Power BI to really showcase the results and also Excel to show those results as well. For Excel, I would say the best thing for it is to, if you need the person that is viewing the data to edit the data in any way and also manipulate the data in any way. Makes it a lot easier for them and, you know, just a lot easier to use. So for Microsoft Power BI, it's definitely beneficial to showcase more in-depth reporting. If you want to break down using graphs or comparative data, maybe from different quarters or different times of the year for different months, it's definitely a great platform to showcase past results and to break down the data to easier for people to easily see it. Microsoft Excel obviously is the opposite a little bit. So with Microsoft Power BI, it's a little bit more difficult as you're going to need some more data to input and you're going to have to customize a little bit more on how you want to show the data. With Microsoft Excel, it's a very common, software that people use for analytics. Really easy to start up, very easy to showcase, also work with. And, I would say the big things is copy and pasting raw data into Microsoft Excel. Obviously, Microsoft Power BI is very similar, but Excel is a lot more easier to use and get it ready to showcase. If you're considering Microsoft Power BI, I would say you want to have somebody that's really, really good with analytics in your company. And you want to have a clear vision of how you want to show those analytics out to your team or anybody else that's going to view this. It does take a lot more customization and a lot more better grasp of, how you want to present those analytics out to the team. For Microsoft Excel, it's pretty easy to pick up and use. It's a basic software that I think a lot of people know. And what you can do is you can go online, you can research some quick training videos, and you can actually get pretty proficient at Microsoft Excel pretty quick with those training videos. So it's a lot easier for somebody to pick up and use. I would say if you're a beginner, use Microsoft Excel. If you're a little bit more into analytics, Microsoft Power BI might be a better fit for you.